Gold just broke through a major daily chalk level, and every single time frame, weekly, daily, 4H, and 1H, is screaming the same thing: bearish. We have full alignment, we have liquidity sweeps, and we have a crystal clear zone where the next short entry is waiting. But here is the thing: you do not want to enter right now. Stay with me. Welcome back. Today we are breaking down XAU-USD, gold spot, on all four time frames: weekly, daily, 4H, and 1H. Let me give you the alignment snapshot right up front. Weekly, bearish. Daily, bearish. 4H, bearish. 1H, bearish. V-box, full time frame alignment, bearish. When all four time frames line up like this, the market is giving you a clear directional mandate. The question is not which way, it is where and when to get in. Let us break it down. On the weekly, gold had one of the most powerful bull runs in recent memory, printing higher highs and higher lows from 3,200 all the way to above 5,500. Two BOS confirmations locked in that macro bullish trend. But look at what price is doing now. Cut to daily. On the daily, a CHoCH, a change of character, has been confirmed. That CHoCH level around 4270, 4280 has been decisively broken. We now have lower highs and lower lows on both the daily and the weekly. The macro structure has flipped. Here is the liquidity picture. Sell-side pools have been swept at multiple levels. The daily CHoCH low at 4270, the 4H BOS at roughly 4230, and cascading 1H BOS lows right through the June 9th 10th session. Each sweep confirmed the institutional bearish narrative. The next major SSL target to watch is the 4100 to 4120 zone, that weekly dotted support visible on the long-term chart. That is where the smart money is likely hunting next. The daily shows a stack of bearish FVGs overhead, one near 4640, one around 4900 to 5000, and another at 5100 to 5200, all acting as future supply. But the actionable zone for the next short entry is on the 4H, right here between 4360 and 4440, a significant 4H FVG created by the aggressive June 5th displacement candle, with the last bullish OB sitting at the top of that range. Confluence is high. Order block, FVG, and structure alignment all stacked in one zone. This zone is completely untested and fresh. Current entry status: pending. We are not entering right now. Full stop. What we are waiting for is a retracement back into the OTE zone, which sits between 4340 and 4388. That is the 62 to 79% retracement of the last major leg down. Once price is in that zone, we need one thing: a rejection wick, a bearish engulfing candle, or a 1H BOS to the downside confirming the zone has held. That trigger fires, and the setup is live. Here is the plan. We are going short from the 4,360, 4,388 entry zone. Stop loss goes above 4455, just above the OB wick with a clean buffer. TP1 is at 4,200, the nearest SSL pool. That is roughly 175 points of reward against 80 points of risk, a 1 to 2.2 risk to reward. TP2 is at 4100, 4120, the macro weekly target. That stretches the trade to a 1 to 3.3. We are risking 80 to make up to 265. That is a trade worth waiting for. HTF bias is green. All four time frames confirmed bearish. No ambiguity there. Liquidity is green. Multiple SSL levels swept. Institutional intent is clear. Zone is amber. The 4H FVG zone at 4360, 4440 is high quality, but price hasn't touched it yet, so we cannot confirm confluence until it does. OTE is red. Price is nowhere near the 62-79% retracement zone right now. PA confirmation is red. No trigger candle has formed because price hasn't reached the zone. 2 green lights out of 5. The zone is not ready. Protect your capital and wait for full alignment. Right now, every instinct is telling you to hit sell because gold is dropping hard. But chasing a move that is already 300 points in without an OTE and a trigger is how accounts get blown. The smart money sold from 4,600. Your edge is not speed, it is precision. Set your alert at 4360, wait for the candle that tells you the zone held, and then execute the plan you just saw. Discipline and patience are not obstacles to profit. They are the profit. Thank you for watching. If this breakdown gave you clarity on how to read gold right now, drop your bias in the comments. Are you waiting for the retracement short, or do you think price goes straight to 4,100 without a pullback? I want to know. If you found value here, hit like and subscribe. The next analysis drops when the setup is ready, not before. Until then, stay sharp, stay patient, and stay in the zone.